What happens when you fall overboard at night as you're trying to make it into your resting place for the evening, and because of tides and weather conditions you're arriving late at night, and as you're pulling in, one of your people falls overboard? How are they going to be found and identified while they're in the water, other than yelling and screaming? One of the things I've utilized and have used in the past have been personal strobe lights that attach to your life safety vests. With this attached, you reach over, you turn the switch, this charges up and has a little strobe effect to it, which is very effective, and it's very effective for aircraft as they fly over. They're able to see this quite well. If you cannot afford one of these things, for $1.99, you can get a stick, an incandescent stick. Everybody knows what these are like. To use them, you can tie them on to your vest and they'll just stay right there. When you need them, you reach up, you break them. The chemical reaction inside causes this to glow, and it's very useful. And for close-in areas, like from your support boat or from your canoe that you've fallen off of or capsized over in, you're going to be able to see the people in the water. The problem is people need to be trained to use these items. These are emergency signaling devices. Here I have a handheld marine signaling flare. With the instructions on this, a flare fired into the air can be seen for miles. A lot of eyes out there because you're going to be on a coastal journey. You'll have a lot of people looking out there, and a lot of people will see this. These are to be used only in emergency situations. Misuse of this for fun or anything else, just to show off or let somebody else see what it's like, could result in a fine or even an arrest by the local authorities. So when you have these, use them only in an emergency situation. If you don't have, or if you're able to, you might be able to get smaller sizes. Again, the difference is distance. What can be seen and what not can be seen. The first one I showed you can be seen for miles. This is a small one, it's portable, it can fit in your pocket or your life vest. If you're in the water, it's easy to use. Unscrew the end with the chain down, and you'll pull down, letting go of the chain immediately, and this will fire around from the top, which is visible for half a mile to 2 miles only. It lasts for a short period of time, and you may have to repeat a number of times as the kit comes with 3 flares in it. Okay, what if it's in the middle of the day? You're out on the water, you're quite a ways from land, maybe Coast Guard's coming, maybe other boats are out there but can't see you and see that you're in distress. Believe you me, being in the water in a small craft is no fun because you're almost invisible to other boats around you. During the day, you can use what are called smoke flares. At night, these flares work great because they're incandescent flares and they light up. This is orange colored smoke that can be seen for miles. And I'll demonstrate this here for you. Okay, again, pull the waterproof seal off. A chain drops down. You'll pull the chain and you'll need to get rid of it by throwing it into the water or on dry land if you happen to make it to dry land. I'll demonstrate this now. Pulling the chain. You can see it only puts out a limited amount of smoke, but it is visible for a long ways. This item can be used on both dry land, as you've seen just now, or water. Okay, let's talk about communications now. For a lot of us, we have cell phones at our disposal. This is a regular cell phone. And this is like my 5th one I've had.